Hey everybody, welcome to RecipeTeacher.com. My name is Jason and today we're here with Chef Gabe Alvarez, who's going to show us how to peel and mince garlic. Gabe?
All right, so start off with your garlic head. Take a clove off. Cut the tip of the root off. Okay, and just start to peel the skin off. I like to slice it real thin. And then give it a rough chop.
Oh, that's easy enough. So you start by slicing it. That way you're not dicing and mincing with big chunks.
Exactly. You start off with a rough chop, like I said, right here, that leads into a mince. And before you know it, you got minced garlic right here.
This has been great. Gabe, thanks so much for showing us how to do that. This has been a Recipe Teacher Lesson 101 for RecipeTeacher.com. I'm Jason. Thank you.